So yun, followers of Christ, it was a great day and tunay nga na napakabuti ng Diyos sa araw na to, sa day off nga natin, but and always doing work, not the work in this world, but to work for Jesus. So yun, pupunta nga tayo ng Palawan State University and we try to share the gospel there. May pahayag si Kristo sa mga to because we believe that God uses us to share the word of God. So yun, isang mapagpalang hapon, tanghali sa iyo. As you are right now watching, I believe that if you are right now praying, then don't stop praying because God is going to do something great and great. God prepares a lot for those people who love Him. So yun, pag minamahal mo ang Diyos, God already prepared the great and great future ahead of time. God prepared it for you. So yun, I believe na as you are subscribing me, it's me, Brother Trix, you are watching, and I believe na napagtagampayan mo na ang mundong ito sapagkat tunay nga sinamahan ka ng Lord. And those people na nagbo-board exam ngayon, then you are passed already because you believe that you made that. So yun, for those criminologists, you are already passed this examination. You can believe it and receive it because you already have it. God bless you and shalom.